Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to Indranagar. There's this place called Alien Kind. I saw it on social media, it popped up so many times. I wanted to go there ever since it opened. So we're going to Indranagar to pick up Pawan's bike. He gave it for PPF in Ceramic Pro. So yeah, we'll pick the bike up first. Then we'll head to the Alien Kind. There's some different types of food. So let's see how it is, how it tastes, and taking you guys along with me. So first we'll go to Pawan's house now. From there we'll go to Ceramic Pro, pick the bike up, then Alien Kai. So come on, let's go. So now we are headed to the metro, then we'll be going to Indranagar. Let's ask Pawan how the bike is after one week? 1 week, 3 days. How is your experience?
It's great and all, but whenever Tejas and I go, every we go, we scare for our life because already we have experience in this apartment up. When I stretched a little bit, when we went to the PPF also, there was a rough road, so at that time also there was a little scrape. That's the one sad thing about owning a super bike. Other than that, it's all great. We are going to metro station. After that, there is going to be reviewing a hotel. I don't know if you have mentioned it or not.
I have already told you.
Okay. We have to see if it's overhyped or is it good or not. Yeah, come, let's go to metro station.
Alright, so we came to Indranagar just now. We'll be going to eat first, then we'll go pick the bike up. So I'll meet you guys after we go to the restaurant. Allah.
Juice shop.
Okay, a juice shop.
It is known for its juices only, but
Yeah,
it got famous with the sandwiches and all.
yeah. So let's try both and see how it is. So we came to Ceramic Pro. We did go to Alien Kind, but they told the materials or ingredients are not here yet for the burgers and stuff. So they told come at like around 1 or 2. Usually it'll come at 1 or between 3 o'clock. So we'll take the bike now. I think we'll spend some time here and then we'll head to Alien Kind. Alright, we are finally here. So here we are. I think this Starship burger is pretty famous here, but we'll try all 3 food items and maybe 2 drinks. Let's ask him which is famous and we'll check it out. So I've asked him for recommendations on the drinks. So he suggested me cake shake, and also I've given the mango cloudy and all these 3 food items. And look at this bill, it's unique as well. So we got the order. Let's go sit in some shade right there near the Hayabusa and try how it is. So first let's try the cake shake. Look at the packaging as well, it's very unique.
I just done.
So now let's try the cake shake. This cake pieces also itself, you can see it right here. The shake is also good. It's worth 200 rupees, it's fine. Now let's try the mango cloudy. The packaging is also so good. Pawan taught me this trick. You have to press in, then it will release and you can open it like that. The mango looks so good. Now let's try the mango cloudy. Even mango pieces are in these. It's so good. I think this is my favorite. Let's see what Pawan thinks. Pawan.
Yeah, they just told there are a bit of mango pieces and it's actually nice at this summer rate. This actually cools you down and it has not overpowering of sweetness. It's subtle. I think this is actually good. But
The cake was too sweet, too filling. This is like
too filling and it's even harder to
suck it in, drink it. But this is refreshing and this is nice. I prefer this.
My actual favorite is the cake one.
Cake one. Mine is this
I
one.
like this one.
So now let's try the egg sandwich. Egg with chicken. This is egg with chicken. And they also gave us dipping sauce. Which one is it?
Sriracha.
Sriracha sauce. I know how it tastes. I think they already put it here, as you can see. So I'll just try it naturally. It's very juicy and it's very flavorful as well. and the bread is also very soft and it's very nice. Now let's try the cheese bagel. On the bagel there's all grains and stuff and cheese in between. So let's try how it is. Just a typical bagel, bland with some cheese, that's it. Not that great, but you can have it with a coffee or something, that's it. I got the chicken spaceship burger. It's shaped like a UFO, as you
But
can see.
it looks like Doraemon's.
Some cake Doraemon eats, right? It looks like that only, say like that.
It is supposed to be UFO.
Yeah, so let's try it out. Very good too. Compared to the other two, I like this one. It's more spice packed and there's more chicken in it, and there's a lot of flavor as well. I prefer this and the egg sandwich as well. Alright, let's finish it up and we'll head on home. So as you saw, it was pretty good. I would rate the mango 10 out of 10 for sure. The cake shake, probably an 8. Pawan likes it. I don't like chocolate that much, so an 8. If you do, or if you're a chocolate lover, surely it'll be 10. And the sandwich, I give it a 9. The bagel, bland, 4. And the burger, 8 as well. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. I wanted to try this. Maybe I'll try different viral places and give you honest reviews. So let me know what places I should try next. Put it down in the comment section or send it to me in Instagram. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.